Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn. Well, welcome. I just need a sip of coffee. It is so hot here, but I still drink coffee. Do you guys do that? This mug was given to me by the lovely Karen from Karen Pruden's Let's Stitch and Makeup. I will link her channel below. She hasn't made videos for a little while. Hoping she'll get back on there and do some videos. But I had done such a, what I thought was a tiny little thing for her that I thought she would like. And she ended up thanking me by having her husband drop off a big box of stuff at my house. She just lives outside of my city, and I've met her and we've spent time together. And she is such a lovely, lovely person. So she had this cup made for me, and she also made these owls here. She knits. And just a whole bunch of things. Oh my goodness. And she's so sweet. I didn't know my little act of kindness would have such a huge impact on her. So, you know, I was just so touched by what she did. She didn't have to do any of that, but she did it. And I really love my mug. I use it all the time. So anyway, today's video is about shout outs. So that was one of them, and it's about shout outs, and it's about a couple of whips that I'm doing, and some announcements on some giveaways and stuff coming up. So it's yeah, there's a lot of stuff. I made notes. Okay, let's see, I'm just writing something down here that I don't want to forget because I forgot to write it down. All right. So, the channels I watched this morning was, okay, one of them was Charmed Grammy. Her name is Lynette, and she was talking about taking her crochet to the trailer to work on, and she forgot her hooks. Took her yarn without her hooks. I know! And there's a Dollar Tree not far from her place, so she went there, and I'll let her tell you the rest of the story if you're interested. And she's such a sweet lady. Please go over there and check her out. The next one I watched, I don't think I commented on your video. Yeah, so you don't even know I was there. Anyway, hi Lynette. And then the next one is Affordably Crafty by Kim. Hi Kim. She was showing some of the stuff she got from Hobby Lobby. You guys are so fortunate to have Hobby Lobby in the United States. Oh my goodness. How do I get them to come to Canada? I mean, do I just bat my eyelashes and say pretty please? Because you guys have the most amazing yarn at Hobby Lobby, and when the clearance is on, my goodness, I would be over there so fast like you guys. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so Kim was showing some of her great deals she got at Hobby Lobby. So that's awesome. And I watched Petra's Happy Place. Hi Petra. She was not going to go to Hobby Lobby, but I'm going to link a video. I think it's her latest video, right, Petra? And then I watched Setta's Place. Her video is, she has these great boxes that she's given away, boxes of goodies. She calls them the God Box, and she has some items in there that are so beautiful. 2 of them. She's giving away 2 of them. So hi Seta. So make sure you go check her out. Okay, so I think that's it for the shout outs right now. So let's talk about Christmas in July Fairies. Now if you guys were involved in that last year, you know what it was all about. And it was an amazing collaboration of over 150 YouTube channels were involved. You can, if you have a channel, you can be a fairy, so you will be giving away something, or you can be a contestant. So that is going to be starting on July 1st. This was created by the lovely Dana. Hi Dana, from DanasWanderlustCrochet, and I'll link her below, of course. And oh my goodness. So what happens is us podcasters, and it's not always yarny channels, it can be any channels as long as you're not a grow channel, but we put up videos, a short video between July 1st and July 15th, put the hashtag Christmas in July Fairies, so that you can click on that hashtag and it'll take you to all the videos all the channels who are participating in this giveaway. And what we do is we draw a name from that video, and you will be a semi-finalist. The channels who are participating can give a little prize to you. They're semi-finalists. If they choose, this channel will be giving away a little prize to my semi-finalists, and then your name gets sent over to, oh, I think it's Dana. Someone else who is involved this year is also a yarn nut, Gia. Okay, I'll link her below because Dana needs help. And I don't blame her. I mean, it's a lot of work to set up this giveaway with all these channels that are involved. So she's involved as well. I'll also link her. That's Gia, a yarn nut. She sells ice yarn from the United States, so you can go check her out. And what else? Oh, so the big grand prize winner will be drawn sometime after July 15th, and that winner will win a prize from each and every channel that participated. Now, last year there were over 150. This year there could be 200. Who knows? The person who won last year, she put up a video of opening of her gifts, like all these gifts. I mean, where did she put them all? I don't know. I don't know. If it was me, I would have had to build a little house in the back to put everything. Because wow, I mean, that's a lot of prizes. So you guys watch out for that. That is so exciting. Oh my goodness. So exciting. Okay. I'm getting goosebumps because I'm excited about it. And I'll be wearing my fairy wings for my video. All right, so watch for that. Also, this year I'm going to do another birthday giveaway. Last year I did, it's from November 15th, which is my birthday, up till November 26th, which was my mom's birthday. She's gone to be with the Lord. She left us 4 years ago. Wow, 4 years ago this month. And she's with the Lord, so I'm okay. So what I do is I put up a video every day between those days and including those days, showing something that I'm going to have in the giveaway. And those that comment on each video, I draw a name, or the YouTube random commenter draws a name, and then all those names, so there'll be, how many days is that? I think 12, will go into a bowl, and then I will pick out one of those people and they will win. There'll be 3 winners like there was last year. And the people who participated said, yes, do this again in 2021 because it was so much fun. We had, I had strange, unusual words that I asked you to put in a sentence, and it was so much fun. You guys had me laughing so hard. And I just love to laugh. My mom was like that too. That's where I get it from. We love humor, and it was awesome. So that'll be in November. All right, let's get to my whips. Whew. All right. Okay, Doris from Rose Cottage Studio gifted me, and I do have the Happy Mail video up, ice yarns. She gifted me 6 of these. Look at those colors. There's pinks, which kind of turn into a purpley. There's like a tealy blue and gorgeous, gorgeous. That's like that, I think it's called chenille. But this is 100% acrylic, 150 grams. Needle size is 6 to 7 millimeter or a US 10. It's a medium 4. Ice yarns, they don't put the colorway on their labels. It was probably a number on the package these were in. I don't have those packages anymore, so I'm sorry. But this is the colorway, so, so pretty. I've never worked with this yarn before. I have bought ice yarn before, different kinds, like their bamboo and cotton, and I really like their yarns. So I started something with this, and I was so hoping to get it done on the weekend. Today's Tuesday. No, I couldn't get it done. But I'm half done, and I'll show you what I'm working on. If you have this kind of yarn and you're kind of wondering, what can I do with that yarn? Well, this is what I'm doing, and I love the way it's working up. Let me just step back and show you. It is it's a corner-to-corner blanket or Afghan. It'll be an Afghan, and I'm half done. I've already used this is what I have left of the third ball, and I love how it's working up, and it's so squishy, and it's gonna be like super warm, so it's gonna be a fairly nice size. It is gonna be a nice size. Oh, where's the end of it? So this is it. So if you guys need an idea on what to use this yarn for, corner to corner works up amazing. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much, Doris. Okay, and it's a little hot to be working on right now because we're having magnificent weather here in Winnipeg. Very hot. All right, and oh, she also gifted me this little owl, if you didn't see that video. Beautiful. It's made out of seashells. She said she got it at a gift shop. Gorgeous, right? Oh, amazing. I love it. Thank you so much, Doris. Okay, so the next item. The next item is, it's going to be a tutorial. And I don't usually show a sneak peek. Well, I did once before, but it was like a very small piece of it that I showed. If you guys have made or are working on the Cutezy top, I'll link that one below too. Oh, I have so many, so many links to grab and put under the video. Then you will know how to do this stitch. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3 different stitches in this, but they're easy. They're easy stitches. So it is a wearable. I'm not going to tell you what it is exactly. Gotta leave some mystery, right? But I'm really liking it. I'm really liking how it's working up, and yeah, that video tutorial will be out by the end of this next week. Okay, so here it is. This is part of it. I'll show you the yarns that I'm using. Okay, I'll just show you part of it. All right, so this is one of the stitches that I'm using. And then I'm using that other stitch that I used in the Cutezy top, because I'm just in love with it. I'm in love with it. All right, so for this, I actually I'm using, it's Paint Box yarn, Cotton Aran. I think I got this from Love Crafts, yeah. And it's actually a 4-weight. It's 100% cotton, pansy purple. That's what this one is right here. So this is just going to be like sort of like an accent color, although there are purples in the other yarn, but they're a lighter purple. Yeah. So this other yarn for this part of it is, put that down for a sec, is Cotton Colors. That's what I'm using, Cotton Colors. And it is also 4-weight, I believe. Yes, it's also a medium 4, but to me, it seems a little thinner, like a thin 4-weight. I don't know, that's just what I think. Let me compare. Where did I bury the other one? This is the paint box. Let me compare them. Yeah, to me the paint box being a 4 does look bigger to me than the other 4-weight of the, whatever I said it was, Cotton Colors, Loops and Threads. I didn't even know I had this yarn. I had 2 of these. I didn't even know because they were stuck back on my shelf. I don't know what's going on, but I'm glad I found it. And so let's do the stats. 100% cotton, Loops and Threads, Cotton Colors, 200 grams, 394 yards. Now two of these is going to be enough for me, for my size, which is around a medium. What else do we need here? Oh, I forgot to tell you the hook size I used on the corner to corner. I used a 7mm. Where is it? Is it a 7? No, it's an 8. I used an 8mm. I'm not sure if you can read that on there. Right here. Anyway, it's an 8mm hook on that one. Okay, so this one recommends a 4.5. I started with a 4.5, and then I went up to a 5 later on in the design. I know it's rubbed off. Gotta fix that. Okay, so, and the color is Wisteria, right here. It's called Wisteria. And it's got pinks and whites and purples and a lighter purple and kind of a pale blue. Yeah, I think it's just very pretty, and I love how it's working up. And I think that's the end of my video, guys. Oh, 18 minutes. Well, I tried to talk fast. And yeah, so I have to link all these links below, and like I always do when I mention channels, I always link them below because I want you to check them out. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, hit the bell, share. I would love for you to share my videos. I would love for you to comment if you want to. You must comment on the giveaway videos to be entered, but other videos you don't have to comment. But I love reading your comments. They're so encouraging, so inspiring. Oh my gosh, you guys are fabulous. Thank you so much for being awesome. Thank you so much. So let me think. Yeah, I think that's it. So have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Bye for now.